So this is a complete packaging line with labeling and pack out. So we're able to do a thermoform package. Then it goes through a lane converger where it simulates the packages. Then we go through a labeling system where we're able to capture the weight of that product, apply a label and print data, and then it goes down the line where we have an employee that's able to grab the packages, put them in boxes, and then send them down the line where that box will eventually get the weight of that box, and then it'll also apply a label and print data on that box. As the protein market continues to expand and people are looking for different packaging styles, this gives you the diversity of doing flex applications, vacuum skin applications, and it's great for the protein market and beef, poultry, pork. It has a variety of applications. On the application behind me, we have a belted vacuum chamber, which allows the end user to reallocate their labor sources because it requires less personnel to be on the floor packaging because you don't have to actually move the chamber itself, it's all automatic. There's been a lot of interest in our belted vacuum chambers because of the ability for end users to reallocate personnel that was usually dedicated to this line. Everything is automated. As soon as you put the packages on the belt, the machine does everything else for you. It allows you to increase your throughput and ensure consistency throughout numerous different product styles. And then it has a similar application as the previous line where it goes to a pack station where you have an employee that is grabbing product, putting it in cases, sends it down the line, and then it captures the weight of that case, and then it applies and prints a label that has the data that the scale captured. As we were moving through the consultation process throughout this sale, one thing that got brought up was the ability of us to be able to integrate everything into one piece under one project. Whereas a lot of companies can only offer one solution, through the power of ProMock, we're able to offer a solution with packaging, labeling, with various styles of packaging when it comes to thermoforming, to vacuum chambers, and to labeling when it comes to on trays or on flex applications, on cases. We're able to offer all of this under one scope and one point of contact.